Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforesmagicweb.com, making this a small video on Saturday evening as a weekly recap. So let's get started. Week started on the 23rd, right? And 23rd June. Okay, that's where we started, and this is basically this is the entry from last Friday. Before that, 21st, and the Euro Aussie. The Euro Aussie 7-minute is on June 23rd. I closed the trade on June 23rd, and she was on June 21st. And then the next trade you can see is on the same thing. Here also, I guess the entry was 21st. Yeah, as I was suspecting. Pound USD also beautiful entry by the book. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 gone, and as on June 23rd, Pound USD 7-minute chart, then Pound Aussie 7-minute chart on the 24th, and this is on the 24th. The entry was on the 24th, and it dropped Pound Aussie, right? Because of Pound started getting strong a little bit. Actually, it's retracing. So 24th June, Euro USD, right? It's supposed to bounce, and it did. Very nicely from 12-13 area, and they went up, become bullish, and beautiful. A lot of entries on 7-minute chart. It's amazing that how. Let me see if no, I don't have it open it. So, but yes, a lot of entries here. You have so many entries going to the upside. And this is Frank Yen. Frank was getting strong, and beautiful entries, even though before was a very nice few of those very nice trade last week, and also into this week this is a beautiful entry here. This is the one again. This is the one, but it didn't work out. So it went up, and when on the Friday when the market closed, it usually retraces. So now this is Pound Yen from all the way here, higher, lower high, and there was some kind of level here, and then from there, since with the pound weakness, it dropped, and you will see some more pairs weakness. See Pound Aussie also from here, beautiful entry. There was a guy from from Australia came out on the wire, started talking, and Aussie started getting strong. And this is on the 25th June. On the 25th again, Pound Newsy was getting strong all along, so Pound Newsy went down. Newsy USD and Newsy Yen, you will see that they went up because Newsy on the left hand side. On those two pairs, here is on the right hand side getting strong, sending Pound Newsy down for 130 pip on the 25th, and then on the 25th, Pound USD again it become bearish here, and bearish entry, short entry, gone with the wind, right? And then on the 26th, you see the Pound Aussie. Pound weakness, it dropped again. It's been dropping, bearish all along. And Pound Newsy 20-minute on the 26th, the same entry I just showed you. It went down even further altogether, 170 pip when I closed the trade finally. And on the 26th, CAD Yen. This is the chart I don't know if I have it open. Okay, this is what I had. You see, this is the chart I had. I made this harmonic pattern that this thing is going to go up on the June 18th, and I send that to my subscribers. And based on that, yeah, this is the trade. It was bearish here, and all of a sudden it started bullish. Even though it didn't give me an entry here, but I took it because I knew that where the heck it's going. And sometimes you have to take it. This I supposed to take this one, but I was like kind of late. Simple as that. Late entry. Sometimes you're not there, and then when you see that, yeah, okay, the entry was there and it played out and it's gonna go the long way, then yeah, you just get in. Pound Yen. And by the way, this is what happened to this chart. This is the chart, right? And so far where we are now is this. You see that how nicely we went up? That was the first trade, and then the trade I showed you is a second trade. The first trade I lost the chart where I don't know where it is. So I had a trade open here, it went up. Then my SL hit for some profit, and then the second entry you just saw, right? And it is already so far right here, and I'm expecting more to come. We're probably gonna drop a little bit and bounce from this area, and then continue to the upside. So this is pound yen again turning bullish because of the yen weakness. All yen pairs started to go up. And then euro yen, like I said, this was bearish here, and all of a sudden, so on 7-minute chart is very, very good, very accurate and very helpful. So it went up above this red line, and then this red line is like a borderline. If it below and then you have a reason to go short, then you will see a short setup and it will go down. If it has to be bullish, it will go above the wave. The wave will go above the red line and then give you a long setup. Indicators all the way down. Price is making much higher low, and from there it goes all the way up. This is a beautiful entry as well, nice and clean to the upside. And again, Newsy USD, like I said, that Newsy was getting strong, so pound Newsy went down, and this pound USD went up, as well as pound yen also. It bounced. This was a good entry as well, but it's a second degree entry because yellow is below the black, but here is yellow just getting above the black, and the much higher low indicators all the way down. Buy entry, and it went up 120 pips. So these are like 14-15 trades just in 1 week using this system. If you understand it, if you apply the rules properly, this is how you're gonna get. Yes, in the meantime, my SL hit several times, from maybe 5-6 times, but each time from 7-minute chart when my SL hit, it's only 5 pip, 6 pip, and from 20 pip, it's like maybe 10-12 pip net. So 4, 5, 6 times if the SL hit, sometimes 10 pip, sometimes 5 pip, it doesn't mean anything compared to what you end up making. Okay, that's how it is. If you make 600 pip and then you give back market 150 pip, who cares, right? So that's how it is. If you like the system, I want to see that if you can get it, and if you can learn, and then if you can repeat, rinse, repeat, just learn the system, the setup, and repeat. That's all there is. And I teach this system in my live webinars on Wednesday and Sunday. Twice a day I hold the webinars where, once you become member, you will be participating on my webinars and learning all about the system. And even if it needs some work, and it may look a little difficult in the beginning, because you don't know, and anything you don't know, it's hard, right? But once you know, it's a piece of cake. That's it. So I'm there. I'm here to help you in the webinar, on the email, Skype. I'll help you anyway to understand this and trade profitably. Okay. So like I said, if you like it, go to my website and subscribe and be a part of it, and start trading from Monday like this. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day or evening.